Yeah, I just got back from Barcelona. Life's crazy. Ay, don't call me on my lonesome. You can find me riding through the city with my bug guard. Girl, I'm fucking with, just wanna kick you with a dog boy. When I spit that dog boy, I don't.
What's good, everybody? It is me, C, back again with another video. I am kind of hyped for this. I'm always hyped for everything. I fucking love sneakers. So we getting back into it. What we got here, as you can see, is the collab with Converse and BANDULU. All right, first you can see here, the box is crazy. Good job, Converse. Good job, BANDULU. I'm tired of seeing those fucked up Converse boxes. This is probably the first Converse box I ever got that didn't show up damaged. Actually, it's like a cargo crate. So for those of you new to the brand, BANDULU is like Jamaican for like bootleg or fake. But pretty much this brand upcycles and pretty much reinterprets like designs and things of that sort when it comes to clothing and the designs, pretty much. All right, so we're gonna get into it. First, we're gonna take a quick look at the box. It's pretty much designed like a wooden crate, this side up. Handle with care for the fucking toe. Everyone who knows Converse Chuck 70 highs, they run a bit big, so sometimes it's wise to like size down, maybe a half to a full size. But yeah, that's how it fits for me personally, but I've heard that be the consensus, that they run a bit bigger, so it's wise to size down. Normally I wear 12, 13 in most of my kicks, and with Converses I try to go 11, 11 and a half. I'll do 12 if I need to, but then that's still too big. But let's get into it. And a box actually seals. That's perfect. All right, let's open that up a bit. Let it breathe. Let it. Oh my god. All right, if anyone knows me, I'm a sucker for kind of stitching and embroidery, and a big thing that BANDULU does on a lot of their designs is paint splashes, or actually embroidery or stitching in the form of paint splashes with like silk thread. So as you can tell by this design, just at a quick glimpse, it looks like it's just regular paint splashes or splotches or spots. But if you look close to the detail, you can see the embroidery work on that shiny thread there. Yeah, the lighting's catching this really good. Alright, we got BANDULU embroidered on the tongue. A little gold, green-ish embroidery here. I know a lot of their stuff is actually a hand sewn. I'm not sure if this pair, like the design on these, are actually done by hand. Probably, but probably not. Just logistical wise, it sounds like it could be a nightmare. But it comes with the corkboard sole. You can see there the BANDULU on the insole. 2 pairs of laces. That looks like a sail cream color, yep, to match the midsole. And then like a lavender, mauve, purple-ish set that comes. already installed on the pair. Alright, the splotches are actually painted on the midsole here on both sides, and then the actual sole of the shoe is pink with white polka dots. That's not too shabby. Now we're gonna get the other set out just to make sure the design is consistent amongst both pairs. I can't do a review or show you one shoe. Like if you've seen one, you've seen them both. Most of the time, yeah, but there's something this artistically done, you want to be sure. Alright, so we got both sneakers here. So the paint splatter is not consistent or exactly the same on each shoe. I wonder if it's actually different per pair. But yeah, the outside part of the shoe is definitely two paint patterns. The same colors, of course, but in just different amounts and different consistencies. Alright. Golden thread is fire. Actually, alright, and you can see this insole here. It says Converse. The other side says Bandululu. Bandulu. Alright. Yeah, it definitely looks like the embroidered splotches are in different patterns and in different amounts, and it varies per shoe. Same setup, two laces, a sail of cream color, and purple lavender fix. But all around, I was really excited to get these. I think these are low-key fire. Even the Converse Chuck Taylor patch is embroidered, completely embroidered and sewed on, which is a staple when it comes to this brand. But thanks, guys. Let me know what you think. Would it be something you'd pick up? Would you actually wear these? I'm pretty sure you can probably find these still in most stores and websites. I don't think they're sold out. Most Converses don't. Or if they do sell out, they restock again. They aren't as limited as like maybe the Sam Ross or Cold Wall Converses, but I think just drippy and swagged out, these are completely fire and definitely worth the cost. But once again, thank you guys for checking out another one of my videos. Don't forget to hit that like button, that comment, subscribe. Follow me on social media at SoulSearchC. Deuces.